Well, hello friend. If you're an e-commerce store owner desperately trying to figure out all the ins and outs of marketing, you're in the right place. When I started my first online store, I had $0 in my account and virtually no resources. But I was a woman on a mission and nothing was going to stop me from figuring it out. Like you, I was overwhelmed by all the marketing strategies I kept hearing about online. But the one thing that all these marketers seemed to have in common was their love for Klaviyo. So I signed up and then I let it sit there for months because the platform felt way too complicated. It wasn't until I hit rock bottom, having to face the reality of possibly closing my store, that I finally took a course that touched on Klaviyo basics. And that was the game changer. Pretty soon, people in my online marketing group were asking me for help, even though they had access to the exact same resources. And that's when I realized all the information out there still felt too complicated and overwhelming for the majority of us. So I made a promise to start creating bite-sized, actionable systems that every business owner could actually implement and see results from. And that's why I created SHECOMMERCE Simplified, to help solopreneurs like you stop guessing and start growing with step-by-step email marketing strategies that actually drive revenue. If you're ready to turn browsers into buyers and make email marketing work for your store, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Until we meet again, friend, happy emailing.